Welcome. Today, it's all about getting the most out of your Gmail app, specifically customizing your left swipe action to snooze emails. If you ever find yourself swiping through messages and wishing you could quickly set them aside for later, this is exactly what you need. Let's walk through the easy steps to set this up. First things first, unlock your phone and open the Gmail app. This is the starting point for all your email-related tweaks. Next, look for the menu icon in the top left corner. It's those 3 horizontal lines. Tap that, and you'll open up a side menu with all your Gmail options. Now scroll down through the menu until you find Settings. Tap on it. If you manage more than one account, make sure to choose the account where you want this change to take effect. Inside Settings, tap on General Settings. This area lets you adjust app-wide behaviors rather than settings for just one inbox. Once you're in General Settings, search for the option labeled Swipe Actions. Tap on it, and you'll see the options for customizing how Gmail reacts when you swipe emails left or right on your message list. Look for the left swipe action. There will be a Change button right next to it. Tap Change to bring up a list of different actions you can assign. From the list, choose Snooze. Once you select this, Gmail will save your preference automatically. No need to press anything else. That's it. Now, every time you swipe left on an email, the app will let you snooze it, removing it from your inbox until exactly when you want to deal with it. This trick is especially handy for keeping your inbox tidy and making sure nothing important slips through the cracks. And you're done. Take a second to try it out on a message in your inbox. You'll see how much smoother email management can be. If you found this tip helpful, enjoy an easier, more organized Gmail experience.